Hey there! Today we are looking at this incredible best 2024 Android 13. It has been trending everywhere, lately for a good reason. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. First off, the craftsmanship, it feels solid and premium. They used high-grade, durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. Beyond the looks, the power is what's most impressive. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. They are selling out fast. See the deal in the bio and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.